Hi, my name is Jill Tucker. I'll be your professor for PE 100 Lifetime Exercise Science. I just wanted to get on here and have a brief video and let you see my face and tell you a little bit about myself. So I've been teaching here at IVC for 20 years, and I actually graduated from IVC, and from there I went to Eastern New Mexico University on a volleyball scholarship. Once I graduated there, I came back to California, back to my hometown, and I taught at the high school level for 9 years before coming out here to IVC. I wanted to invite all of you to go ahead and get on Canvas and look around our class website and just check it out, see all the different things that we're going to be doing for this semester. If you need to get in touch with me, through Canvas is probably the best way. If you get on IVC directory, you will find my contact information there as well. My office is located in the gym on the main campus, and you can find me there most days. I will be teaching during the day. You might have had some of my activity classes or some of my classes that I've taught in the past. And if that's the case, I look forward to seeing you again soon.